Here's a 2018 Cadillac Escalade ESV. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be with room galore. It comes with great features you'll love: Ecotec 3 engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the console, dual zone climate control, automated parking sensors, entertainment system with Blu-ray, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and heated and ventilated bucket seats. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. Experience it for yourself today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.